Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, happy to have you here. If you've been here before, thanks for watching my videos. I just want to appeal to you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please and please and please, as you'll be helping us. So today we're going to be talking about, I don't know, it's kind of, my leaf is now dried, the Dongoyaro leaf. I've actually done an earlier video, but there was so much background noise, so I had to do another one. My leaf was more fresher then anyway, but you understand. So this Dongoyaro leaf is actually also the leaf that we call, or the plant that we call the neem leaf. You know, is one plant that a lot of us, especially Africans and Nigerians, you know, that we know. This plant is used a lot in our herbal tea preparations. The Yorubas normally call it agbo, for those of us that know. So it's normally used in preparing herbal tea, and those herbal teas are used, you know, to cure or to treat, let me use that word, to treat fevers, malaria, typhoid. Also, I can remember the very first time I mean, I've been hearing about Dongoyaro, but that I took keen interest in this Dongoyaro was when as a farming group, you know, organic farmers, I heard about them using Dongoyaro. That's the neem leaf. They use the oil. They make the oil from the seeds. They use the leaves also to make insecticide, you know, to repel insects from their plants. So we see, you know, from their crops. So we see that this Dongoyaro plant, it's really useful. Today we're going to not just look at the traditional uses of this Dongoyaro plant, but we're also going to look at the uses in other fields and the benefits to our health and the side effects, you know, alike. Dongoyaro plant has been, you know, has been used for a very long time, and of course there have been scientific research, you know, on it, and from those research, Dongoyaro, one of the uses that we use Dongoyaro you know, locally for, they use the stick as a chewing stick, you know. So from research it has found that the Dongoyaro sticks, or the Dongoyaro plant, or extracts from Dongoyaro, is very good for our teeth. It's very good for removing plaque, you know, in the teeth. It's very good for curing mild gingivitis, you know, it's a disease of the teeth. Another use that has been proven scientifically is this Dongoyaro plant is very effective in treating hair lice, you know, especially in children. And I would really love, you know, this information to go out, you know, there, because we've had you know, bad cases of people trying to, you know, treat hair lice in children using dangerous insecticides and chemicals, and some of those things have, you know, proven to be fatal. But Dongoyaro is very, very effective, you know, in treating hair lice. Once a tea, you can boil these Dongoyaro leaves, whether they are dry or they are fresh, and you make a concentrated tea out of it and use to wash the hair. One treatment is enough to clear the hair of lice. So please let us spread this information. So back on our Dongoyaro also. Dongoyaro leaves, or the extracts from Dongoyaro, is very good in treating ulcers, you know, those that have like stomach ulcers. So if you have like stomach ulcer, or you know someone that has stomach ulcer, Dongoyaro can be, it's something that they can include in you know, drinking the tea from Dongoyaro. It would actually help them in treating their ulcer and reducing the effects of the pains that they get from, you know, this ulcer. Another interesting point to note is that Dongoyaro, and this is scientifically proven, it's it's been shown to reduce the blood sugar in the blood, and that, I think this is an excellent news for anyone that is suffering from diabetics. But please, a note of warning: if you're going to include dongoyaro in your treatment of diabetics, please let your doctor know, because sometimes it's so effective that they might actually have to take you off some of your medications. Dongoyaro is very, very effective, and if you are taking it, please check your blood sugar from time to time. You really do have to monitor it. Any medication, you should take it with the advice of your doctor. Another interesting thing that I found out in dongoyaro is that this dongoyaro can actually cause abortions, in people. So I would love this information to go out there to a lot of women, because I'm afraid maybe some people might have unknowingly, suffered abortion due to taking maybe a herbal tea from this dongoyaro. In Africa, we are very used to taking herbal teas and things like that. My fear is that a lot of these things are not controlled, and because we do not know how effective they are, we do not have dosage, from them. These things are good, but I wish, more research and can go into it, so that even when people are taking it, they know the doses that they take it. Because if something as common as dongoyaro can cause abortions, and we need to be really, really, really careful. This is a note of a caution to a lot of women, maybe looking for the fruit of the womb, and they are prescribed different teas and things like that. It might be that they have maybe they might even be pregnant, and they know that in the hospital they're not meant to take maybe just malaria medications, like that, and they will think that it's easy for them to just go into this take agbo. I mean, they might be causing more harm than good. I would really love that people would share this video, so people can know that these dongoyaro plants can cause abortions. It can also be used in a positive way, for women that maybe they have had all their children and do not want to get pregnant anymore. This can be used as, should I say, a kind of a birth control of sort of. So dongoyaro is also very effective in that. So still on our dongoyaro plant, this plant is very, very effective, or very strong, let me call it. It's not something that we should just take for lightly, because scientifically it has been proven that it can actually cause some people to go anorexic, so and that's I would have thought that anorexia was just a disease of the mind, a mental disorder, that people will not be eating, and they will just keep refusing to eat until they lose weight, and it can be dangerous. And we know that anorexia is very, very dangerous and can lead to death. So but it's funny that a plant like dongoyaro that we easily consume in our herbal drinks can cause anorexia. So this is more like a note of warning, or we should take caution while taking our herbal drinks that are made of or made from dongoyaro. It has wonderful side effects. It has been proven to cure malaria. It has been proven to be used as a good insecticide. It has for the hair, like I said, you use it to wash the hair. It can help in your blood sugar. But we have to be very, very careful, because the doses, this is another plant that we cannot take in excess, and also we should take with caution, with recommendation from our doctors that really know about herbs and what they contain. So I hope you've learned something from this video. As I would say, dongoyaro is a very, very useful plant. You can use it, but with all the caution that please use it with all the caution. So like if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please to encourage us, please press the subscription button, and we'll see you next time in our next video. Take care. Bye.